Read the phrases. Bake a cake. Come to see the game. Gate near the lake. Wade in the lake. Vase for sale. Come for a date.
Hate.
Hate to make. Met a date. Mail with a rake. Late case.
Pale.
Pale but firm.
Fame.
Fame.
English nga eh.
Read the sentence. Answer the questions below. My mother bakes a cake. Who bakes cake? What does mother do? The little boys save the game. Who saved the game? What did the little boys do? What the rakes are for sale. What are for sale? Lady come to see the game. Who come to see the game? Who did lady come? What will lady see? I hate to come late. To what do I hate?